Alright, let me just...
You know, like, I
Fuck. Shit.
what?
My fucking pillar fell over.
Oh no.
I'm building a tower.
I think Hamley's building a tower.
Okay, okay. It's around the same height, but it's a different width at least. Alright. I think this guy's stuck. I made a tower. I made a building that discriminates against tall people.
Awesome.
Alright. It's time. Alright. Where is it? There it is.
Why the fuck are you giving a cube a sniper rifle?
I'm not giving it a sniper rifle, I'm just using the cube as like a little base, you know? Let me just zoom out, move over.
Do not give a cube a sniper rifle, especially if its name is Cubester.
One down.
You should like launch like Angry Birds at it.
Oh, I think someone had their leg broken. Yeah.
You should you need to throw
Angry bird. Hey, let me get another ranged weapon. Where is it? I was playing with this one last night. Sure. Oh my god.
Angry Bird. It's the bomb.
Oh my god.
Angry Birds, like, but more violent, I guess.
Get him! Oh. Oh, there's still people in there, hold on. How did this guy get shot? Wait, what's wrong with you? You got shot somehow? How? Oh, my guy's dead. Okay. Shit. More bazooka. We clear the living. I say clear the living. Oh my god. Property damage. Hey, at least the elevator still works fine. That happened.
As soon as you said that happened, Steam just randomly opened itself.
Yeah.
It did, in fact, happen.
Alright, let me just like... Oh, my cobble! Oh. Okay, let's try this again. No! Why does it keep doing that? Stop! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, well, let me see what we got in the arsenal. Let me try this. Oh my god. Wow. There's no... Wait, there's like one survivor, but he's like cut in half.
Oh my god.
Jeez. Boing, boing, boing. Ooh. This shit they do at Construction Zone Inc. I'm just gonna put him out of his misery. Destroy!
Oh my god.
Okay. Alright, let me try something. Okay, so I'm gonna make a contraption, okay?
Okay.
There will be a metal cube, a pulse drum, and accumulator. I will freeze all of that, connect the accumulator to the pulse drum, turn on the accumulator. Let me move the cube a little bit. Freeze that. Okay. So next, we put a person right here, right?
Okay.
And now we put a bowling ball on our contraption. So
What
now
about
it's slowed to
boulder?
5%. Oh,
It got hit before the bowling ball even got there.
that's just how fast it was.
My god.
Damn. Let's toss that one down. We can reuse the bowling ball. Those are expensive. We don't want to waste bowling balls, you know? People, that's okay. Bowling balls, not so much. Okay, let's see how many people it can chew through. Okay. We're like doing like those like slow motion videos where you like do something cool and it's like, oh, that was so cool. Except like 10 times more fucked up. There we go. There's one that's still alive, one person that's still living. Because that was the guy in the back, but they have someone's hand stuck through their torso and are about to die because all of their organs are failed, so we're just gonna throw them down anyways. Oh, where's their bowling ball? Looks like we're gonna have to use something else. Oh well. Oh, there's our bowling ball. Oh well, I'll use something else anyways. And let's get another metal cube. But solely so we can put this thing up, right? Okay, so we got a gorse. There is our gorse. Now, we can put a stone brick on the thing. Okay. 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Stone brick comes flying, and it gets absolutely smushed into the wall for a second. And yeah, it's completely dead. And the brick is covered in gorse blood. I think the stone brick is a pretty good one. Let's try a boulder. Against this guy. I'll put the metal cube down here for now. Alright, let's see this. Oh. Sends him flying. Immediate headshot. The boulder did a little bit more well than I thought it would. Let's try that again. Oh, it broke the boulder this time. It seems like this guy is immune to debris. I'm gonna have to get something else. Perhaps... you know what? This place needs a good cleaning. Let's throw a fucking bar of soap at him. Does it even do anything? Dude. Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting it. Yeah, this just does nothing. Oh well. How about a small L beam? Or I beam? It might be I beam, I'm not sure. Whatever. Oh my god! It just cut him in half! Where'd it go? Where'd the beam go? Did it lodge in the wall? Oh, that might be property damage. That might be expensive. Oh, there it is. Okay, it didn't lodge in the wall. Okay, phew! How about a television? Let's launch a television at a guy. Where'd it go? So tell me it broke the elevator again. Where is it? Oh my god, it landed in the elevator shaft. That's not good. Alright, let's try something less that. A structural pillar. It will probably have a similar result to the I-beam. Oh. It doesn't really seem to fit, so I'm just gonna put it up right there. What? It didn't even do anything! Hold on, let me try that again. Okay, it keeps missing. Let's try that. Nope. Alright, shit. A torch. Ooh, headshot. And it landed upright. I noticed this thing's great at getting headshots. Let's try to launch a stone brick wall. Oh my god. Maybe cobble? Oh! Oh my god! Hold on, how many bones does this guy? Oh my god, 7 broken bones. Dude, where's its feet? They got liquefied. Dude. It looks like a fucking Spooky's Jump Scare Mansion character. What the fuck? The fuck is this? Dude, what happened?
Yeah, you're the one doing it with.
I just shattered 7 fucking bones.
Yeah, you're the one doing it, so don't ask.
You know, so it's a rubber duck at it.
Rubber ducks, I'll fix it.
Alright, let's see if this guy is okay. From the rubber duck. Doesn't do much. Oh. It's like that one, like, ball SCP.
There's probably like 50.
The fucking rubber ball
SCPs.
that, like, infinitely bounces.
I don't know that
You
one.
don't know that one? Wow. Tempered glass pane. I think it was facing the wrong angle. Tempered. Oh my god. Wow, okay. Right in the chest. Still alive. 2 broken bones, though. Okay, now he's dead. No, I just want to test something real quick. Let me just drop a guy over here. Let me get a tempered glass pane, right? Damn. Can you stab someone with this?
Oh, I don't know, probably.
It seems to shatter too fast. Maybe a regular glass pane, or not. Okay. What happens if I shoot someone with regular glass? Let's try this again. Oof. Okay, he's still alive. Let's try another piece of glass. Oh, okay, broke. Let's try another piece of glass. Missed. Okay, hit him in the head, but didn't do much. Oh, headshot. Let's see how this guy's doing now. If I can find inspect. Okay, brain damage.
I'd imagine, like, that caused brain damage.
Alright, hold on. The music get like a rope. So he can stand up. Okay, that just went fine. We try the jack-lantern again. Bro just ate through that. What the fuck? Bro's just immune. Okay. Plate. Breaks immediately upon... almost immediately. Which is not great. Recyclable housing. This guy's still alive and is fine, I guess. Well, no, he has brain damage. So, like, probably not fine, but, like...
No, if you're, like, missing your frontal lobe...
Oh my god! I just shattered this motherfucker like glass! Oh my god!
I put my hands in my face because my face in my hands because like I said lorb and my headset just fell off.
Dude, okay, hold on. I need to show you that. I need to show you this. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Look. Okay, it didn't work this time. Let me try again. Okay, it didn't work this time.
Okay, it didn't work this time. Where did it go?
I don't know.
Where does it keep going?
Okay, that was close enough. It didn't shatter him like fucking glass, but that's close enough, you know?
Oh my god.
violent, but not violent as it was. I have a good idea for one.
Stop torturing these poor people.
Now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me
What
try
happened?
this. Oh. That was a pretty good one. Dude, I feel bad for the janitors in this place. I have to clean all this shit up. Computer.
Just use the
Keyboard.
soap.
Office
Launch soap
computer.
at them.
Oh. It fucking
Launch
exploded!
Launch soap at them.
Oh, I tried. It didn't do anything.
Oh.
Hold on, I can show you with this, like, a mauled corpse. Let me put this on a string. Let me launch
Yeah,
the
I'll
soap.
keep it on the destructible string. Oh, that's... hey, at least it cleaned it up.
Hey, at least it's cleaning.
It's doing its job.
Oh, let me drop the metal. Let me just use the metal cube to clean all this up.
Oh, God.
Okay, that should be good enough. Alright. Let's put a few more people this time. Let's have a bonus round.
Chuck a table.
A table.
An entire table.
Okay. That didn't seem to work well. Okay, let's try this.
It just... All it did
Oh.
was break, and
Oh.
that's like lame.
Oh no, that didn't look very lame.
I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah!
Oh my...
They got fucking obliterated.
Dude!
Hold on, let me clear all the corpses and all the, like,
Leave
debris.
these people alone!
Thanks for the janitors. Oh, I just killed those people. Okay. Let me try a chair. Okay.
Throw a tire at them.
Okay, let me toss a tire. Oh. Only one person lived. Barely. Let's toss him into the pit.
Wait, what? What? Unless you... Oh, you cleared all of them. Dude, you're killing them without even trying.
Okay, oh. Oh my god, that one was personal. Curse of Ra!
I might stream Forsaken in a second.
What? Why is there something on fire down here? The tire's on fire. Okay. That rhymes. Okay, a few people without killing them. How about an office chair? Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Dude, this guy's like on the edge. This guy might get knocked down. Dude, how are you standing right there? Dude. Fucking Roblox. Put a wing. Alright, that guy's dead.
Just launch another person at someone.
How about a watertight box? I don't know what I expected.
Where did it go?
Good question. Oh my god, there's so many
Yeah,
things inside the fucking elevator shaft.
I'm gonna stream for a
Hey, I
second.
found it at least. God, they're gonna kill me if I mess up the elevator.
Okay. Are you paying attention to the stream?
Nope.
Mm,
You just started streaming.
I know. I missed a slash horribly.
Alright, let's try a wooden wheel. Nothing.
I'm
Oh,
assuming something happened.
that's gore. That guy just got liquefied. Okay. Alright. A metal pole. 2 metal pole. Okay. Okay. That guy's legs are gone. Alright, let me just hang this guy by a rope. So I can shoot him again.
Maybe I shouldn't play as Shedletsky.
Giant log. Oh my god.
Let me see what's going on.
That guy got fucking kebabbed.
Oh. Is this what CEO is gonna do? You know, when he gets them.
Probably. Alright, we're gonna try and put this into the, our new rocket launch test. We just got it made, so it's very, very unstable. It's what? So there's about a 90% chance of casualty. What?
Wait,